Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best above ground pool vacuums available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Intex Pool Vacuum. This powerful pool cleaner is designed just for Intex Pool owners, and will automatically clean and vacuum the entire pool floor for hassle-free pool maintenance. This vacuums come complete with a 24-feet hose and attach easily to Intex inlet connectors with 1.5-inch or 38mm hose fittings. For Intex above-ground pools with filter pumps with a flow rate of 1,600 to 3,500 GPH. At number 5 we have PAXCESS Pool Vacuum. PAXCESS cordless automatic pool cleaner is the most innovative pool robot cleaner for Max. This cordless pool cleaner robot is equipped with 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can achieve up to 60 to 90 minutes of work. It can operate without a cable attached to an electrical outlet, allowing greater mobility. It comes with deflector and powerful motor. This automatic pool cleaner with a fast moving speed and powerful cleaning ability, high frequency fast speed deep cleaning, saving time and effort. It comes with 2 large suction doors, 1 bottom brush and superior filter. Robotic pool cleaner can trap and lock and leaves dirt and sand, leaving your pool water sparkling clean. At number 4 we have AIPER Pool Vacuum. It comes with the powerful dual drive motors. Seagull 1000 above ground pool cleaner effortlessly traverse the pool bottom and can climb an incline up to 15 degrees. The cordless pool vacuum pulls in kinds of foreign matter from dirt, debris to insects and small stones, leaves up to 5.5 wide. The unit also has an independent brush, ensuring a meticulous cleaning of your pool. It is perfect for above-ground pools up to 35 feet diameter and in-ground pools with the flat floors up to 17 times 50 feet. The large capacity 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes. That's providing non-stop cleaning after 4 to 6 hours of charging. At number 3 we have AIPER Pool Vacuum. This dual motors provide suction action and propel it forward at a speed of 52.5 feet per minute. This pool cleaner also features 2 independent scrapers that scrub the bottom of your pool. Besides picking up fine leaves, sand, dirt and other debris, it removes grime and sediment, so that you do not have to get in the water for clean. Also adopting self-parking smart technology, AIPER robotic cleaner stops near the pool wall when the battery is too low or after completing a working cycle. This allows for easy and convenient retrieval. At number 2 we have Extreme Power US Pool Vacuum. This Pro Series robot pool cleaner has superior filtering capabilities and is powerfully nimble on vertical surfaces for intense waterline scrubbing. This triple 24-volt DC motors send power to dual scrubbing brushes, while delivering the highest flow rate of any pool robot. This cleaner robot is highly efficient, running on 90% less energy than old-fashioned cleaners. The filters and circulates thousands of gallons of water per hour. That's leaving the pool water polished for an optimal clean. At number 1 we have AIPER Pool Vacuum. It comes with the powerful dual drive motors. This Seagull 1000 pool cleaner can effortlessly traverse the pool bottom at a speed of 52.5 feet/16 meters a minute. The large capacity 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes, provides you a better and exquisite cleaning. It comes with upgraded larger filter volume. The pool cleaner is perfect for above-ground pools up to 35 feet diameter. It is in-ground pools with the flat floors up to 17 times 50 feet and can climb an incline up to 15 degrees. The AIPER cordless automatic pool vacuum will take care of everything, and no worries to connect a power cable or to deal with cord entanglement and the risk of power short out. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best above-ground pool vacuums for your need.